Hierdie jong man vrees dat hy weer as gevolg van sy seksuele voorkeur aangerand sal word. Lunga Woko is openlik gay. Hy is op 31 Maart, 'n dag na sy 23ste verjaarsdag, deur 'n groep mans in Luzuku Park, Philippi Oos aangerand. Hy en twee vriende was van 'n partytjie af op pad terug na sy huis toe, toe daar 'n bakkie met 8 mans hom begin koggel het.
So they got out of the car and then they started asking me questions. Why am I gay? Why am I wearing shorts? And what makes me think that what I'm doing is right? And who do I think I am? So I was still answering this one guy and then someone just like hit me with like, I don't know what they hit me with on the back of my head. So after that I just like went unconscious. But then still they were beating me after I fell on the ground and I was bleeding and stuff. So they still beat me after that and then they were trying to like run the car over me and they were trying to kill me.
What is the reason for the attack on that day?
It's because of the shorts I was wearing. I'm pretty sure that was because of the shorts.
Boko is na die Grote Schuur Hospitaal geneem waar hy 'n dag later weer bygekom het. Hy het 'n klag by die Nyanga polisiestasie ingedien. Luitenant-kolonel Andrei Taut, provinsiale polisiewoordvoerder, het bevestig dat 'n klag van aanranding met die doel om ernstig beseer ondersoek word, maar dat niemand nog 'n verband met die voorval in hegtenis geneem is nie.
Did anyone come to help you or to stop the fight?
People were just watching. People were just like watching and I just wasn't expecting anyone to come help me.